This is the Silent Speed Model D, released in about 1934 by Marchant. This is a blurry photograph of mine. I've seen a lot of videos showing how the accumulator smoothly increments the numbers. And I had taken the cover off to try to get it working, and I had taken some videos of it. And I wanted to show those videos because they show the mechanism in a way that you can't really see when the top cover's on. Here's the patent drawing from 1933 showing the accumulator's gears in the carriage. It shows the planetary gears and hints at the complexity of the entire device. Here's the same mechanism from the service manual. It shows a little expanded view. This first clip shows how the accumulator smoothly increments and all the numbers arrive at the same time but with different speeds. Here it is again, even slower. In the next clip, I'll add 19. The 9 in the ones position will send a carry to the tens position, which is also receiving an input from the 9. Now 9's almost enough for a carry, but not quite. So the tens position needs to move back to the last whole number, so it won't end up in between two numbers. This image shows the snail cam from the service manual, which is part 92203, and that's the part that's responsible for that movement. I'll finish up on this last clip. I was multiplying 9, so you'll be able to see the accumulator running and its planetary gears moving, carrying to the next number. You'll also watch the counter up top. There is a click, click, kick of the counter finger incrementing the counter. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it.